Morning. So I'm at Kodachrome State Park in Utah. Something bit the hell out of my scalp. I got bites all over it. Anyways, drone permits. Flying in at least this state park. I just went into the ranger's office and I got a permit. The permit is free, and I'll post a picture of it over here in the corner up there. They asked for some pilot ID numbers and things which really didn't jive with the serial numbers off of the drone. Now, in case you've ever looked on a DJI Mavic Mini, there is no identifying numbers anywheres on the drone. All the numbers are on the controller. Anyways, I took a picture of my numbers and I filled in the blanks, and they asked for a pilot number. I put NA, and they gave me the I just put numbers. I'm almost making up numbers in the sections. None of those numbers are off my drone, but they're not the numbers you're looking for. So I think they're really looking for legal registered pilots. Maybe this would be if you had a registration for a drone over 250 grams. I don't know, but basically it's unlimited restrictions flying in the park. But however, they said don't fly over people, don't be annoying, be respectful. The girl was saying, yeah, you can't fly over or across a trail, and the guy said, yeah, you can fly over or across a trail. He goes, if it's real big. Here's a larger photograph of the drone application, permission form, bogus, whatever it was. Some things it asked for are name, address, phone number, the drone make and model, the remote pilot certificate number, unmanned aircraft system UAS, a UAS certificate number, purpose of your flying it, the area, the dates, your max altitude. So you can put on there that you could put it on here that you want to be here for all of 2020, and they would have done it. And at the bottom, there's a blank where they can put some more restrictions as the parks learn more about this. And there's also a place where they can charge a fee. They weren't charging a fee for me this time in May of 2020. So I would just go there and just put in any old numbers on the things. They don't ask for your ID. They don't ask to see your drone. They don't ask to see anything else. They just say, fill out the form, have fun. So go have fun.